everyone. I hope you all are doing great. I'm so sorry I have taken so long to this live. Today I was busy in some work like studies and everything, a lot of stuff I had. So yeah, the topic of this session is let's talk. Let's talk about what? So we can talk about anything. Okay. So the first thing which is coming into my mind or which may come into your mind that why I have used this filter, है ना? So the reason behind it that हम सबकी life like me, you, who's watching this live or not, who is doing anything, okay? हम सबकी life में ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ scratches होते हैं, ठीक है? So this scratching filter is all about your self-acceptance. Okay, let me tell you how. होता क्या है ये scratches like when you go to mirror and see yourself और यदि वहाँ पर कोई scratch होता है तो what would you do? What will you do? You will try to wipe it out, है ना? उसको साफ करने की कोशिश करोगे कैसे भी करके. तो why we do this? Have you ever have a thought of this like हम ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? Okay, I'm here ना बताने के लिए मैं ना. So we do this because we don't actually accept ourselves with these scratches, okay, and which should not be the reason of self-acceptance or self-rejections. ठीक है, हम क्या करते हैं खुद को हमेशा से ही एक प्योर साफ सुथरा इंसान दिखाने की कोशिश करते हैं. Okay, so I have used this scratch so that you all can see that even I have this scratch on this filter, of course, not on my face. Which is very very clear. Okay, yeah. So no one is perfect. First thing. Second thing, practice makes a man perfect. Okay, because women are always perfect, you know. Lame joke apart. Okay, so self acceptance ना सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है हमारी लाइफ में. होता क्या है कुछ बहुत सारे हंसते हुए चेहरे या बहुत सारे रोंदों से चेहरे हम एक डिप्रेशन की, एंजाइटी की या स्क्रैचेस की एक इमेज फिक्स कर लेते हैं कि हाँ ये इंसान दुखी है, मे बी इज इनटू डिप्रेशन. ठीक है, ये इस इंसान को नींद नहीं आ रही है ना. अच्छा, लेट मी टेल यू वन इंसिडेंट. कुछ टाइम पहले हमारे साथ एक इशू हुआ था दैट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप प्रॉपरली. सो क्या किया हमने, एक फार्मासिस्ट थी, उसको हमने बोला कि हमारे लिए कुछ दवाई लेते हैं सॉरी. ठीक है, जब वो अपने डॉक्टर के पास गई, उन्होंने बोला तो डॉक्टर का पहला क्वेश्चन कि आपकी जो दीदी हैं, मतलब लाइक शी इज़ जूनियर टू मी, तो जो दीदी उनको धोखा मिला है. सो हम लोग पहले ही जज कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, इवन द लॉ स्टूडेंट preparing for the judicial services examinations and then selected to be a judge, हम उससे पहले ही जज कर लेते हैं. we don't even need evidence. ठीक है, तो उन्होंने बोला कि आपको धोखा मिला है. so what was my reply to her कि हाँ धोखा मिला है, हमारे कबर्ड में रखा हुआ है ना. हमको let me know if you need it, like यदि ऐसा कुछ चाहिए हो तो. ठीक है, जोक्स अपार्ट, पहली चीज़ लाइक हमने पहले एक्सेप्ट कर लिया. नींद ना आने के कई कारण हो सकते हैं ना, लाइक जब हमने दिन में सो लिया हो और पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही हो और वी आर टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस और अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग, लाइक लॉट ऑफ रीज़न कैन बी बिहाइंड ऑफ इट. ठीक है, सेकेंड थिंग, वी ऑलवेज हैव अ फियर टू आस्क हेल्प. हमारे पास हमेशा एक डर होता है और वो डर हेल्प मांगने का नहीं होता है. वो डर इस चीज़ का होता है व्हाट इफ सामने वाला पर्सन हमें जज कर जाए. कॉज नहीं करेगा, ठीक है, बट उससे पहले सामने वाला इंसान आपको जज करे या ना करे, उससे पहले यू शुड हैव दैट ट्रस्ट ऑन योर सेल्फ. ठीक है, कि आप खुद को जज नहीं करोगे. क्लियर? ओके, ये जो स्टिचिंग फिल्टर है, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस कि no one is perfect. You have to accept yourself in order to be accepted by others. Okay, first you all have to accept yourself in order to be accepted by others. सबसे पहले आप खुद को accept करो. Love yourself as you are. I know it's easy to say, but it's not that tough to apply. ठीक है? I know sometimes it's very easy to implicate that yes, the saying things are easy, you can easily say it, but you are not feeling. But actually, if someone is saying something to you, you are just listening, and that person who is saying is actually feeling that way. Okay? Like if I am telling you that any random name I can take here. So if I say that I am having headache, so you are just listening that I am having headache, but on that time, at the same time, I am feeling that headache, and that can be severe, okay, or more than that. ठीक है? The second thing, we all have lot of things. हमारे पास बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, but we always try to hide it out. ठीक है? हम हमेशा उन चीज़ों को बचाने की कोशिश करते हैं, हटाने की कोशिश करते हैं. जैसे फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, एक चीज़ हमेशा से चलती आ रही है, परसेप्शन, विच इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग in my opinion, that women can show their feelings with tears, while men should not. They always have to be strong. Why can't they be vulnerable? ठीक है? बट होता क्या है, neither men nor women, हम इंसान हैं, ठीक है, वी ऑल आर ह्यूमन, यू नो दैट, राइट? बट हम लोग क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वी ऑल वॉन्ट टू बी अ मशीन. ठीक है? लाइक वी डोंट वॉन्ट टू फील एनी इमोशन. समटाइम it happens with me also, that I don't want to feel anything, I don't want to share anything, I don't want to say anything, but I want to laugh, I want to cry, I want to dance, I want to sing, I want to do a lot of things. Okay? And that is also emotion. If you are dancing, that's your emotion of happiness. If you are sad, that doesn't mean that's your sadness emotion, but this can be something, no? This can be anything. Okay? So this filter is just for you to know that you have to accept yourself in order to be accepted by others. Okay? So this session is not at all about that depression, anxiety, sadness or blah blah blah. Okay? We all are having examinations. Okay? This is November. We are it's like about the ending of this year. So I'm not wishing you happy new year, of course, but I'll wish you a very happy November or December, the rest of this month and the next coming month. Okay? I hope you all are doing great. Wish you all the very best for anything you are doing. Okay? Yeah, one more announcement I have to do here, that every Saturday and Sunday I'm planning an offline session only for the Indauris, of course. Okay? So any one of you, if you want to connect me, you can DM me with like for the further details and the locations and the fees things and the process if you want to know. Okay? So feel free to connect me, and that's my personal opinion, that if someone is sharing something to you, you just have to listen to it. Okay? So all the very best for your day, for whatever you are doing. Okay? See you in the next session. I hope I'll take it soon. Okay. Bye.